Hello everyone, myself Sanat Kumar Swai, Assistant Professor at Vedang Institute of Technology. Hope you are all doing well. Today's class we will be discussing about teamwork. Okay, very interesting topic, particularly in the organizational behavior. Teamwork is of extremely important. Okay, so what is teamwork? Why teamwork is important, and what purpose teamwork serves in organizations? So we'll be going through few slides and we'll see the various aspects of teamwork. Okay, so the first one, yeah, so this is one of the teamwork. Everybody is contributing to as a team. Okay, so this is known as a teamwork success. Right. So definition of team. So what do you mean by team? What exactly is a team? Okay, so there are a lot of explanations for a team. These definitions of team can differ, but the common or a layman, if we discuss in a layman term, that is a sorry. So yeah, so if we discuss in a very layman term, so what happens is that when there is a group of individual, okay, there's a group of individual when they come together, okay, and they are having a common goal, they're having a common aim, a common objective, then that is known as a team. Okay, and team particularly in any organization, if you see that if there is a common project, if there's a common goal, and certain individuals, okay, they come together to achieve that particular goal, okay, or that particular team objective, then that can be termed as a team. Okay, now what happens is that the members of the team, okay, they what they do, they collaborate. Okay, they collaborate with each other. There's a shared collaboration, there's a shared responsibility. Okay, they share the responsibilities among each other. Okay, apart from that, they combine their skills and efforts. Okay, see, in a team, not all the team members, they may be of the same skill, they may possess the same skills and efforts. Okay, rather they combine their skills and effort to accomplish those tasks. Okay, so uh, uh, th- through that it benefits the group. Okay, and see, ISRO, okay, there was a space mission. So the all the engineers working, or the members that are working in this in that particular mission can be termed as a team. Okay, and they may have different skill sets. Okay, but they have put, or they have combined those skill sets and accomplished the goals. What is their goal? To launch the satellite, or to uh, Chandrayaan, which was a mission of the ISRO. Okay, so that was the mission. Okay, and they were working for a common goal. Okay, and that benefited the entire group and the organizations. Or organizations means ISRO. Okay, so that's known as the definition of team. Now, definition of teamwork. Teamwork means the effort, the effort or the work or the task which that team is putting for a common goal, or to complete a task in a most effective way or efficient way, is known as teamwork. The best way, when there is a team and there is a collaboration among the team, okay, and they're achieving, they're working together to achieve a common goal. And what is the best way to achieve that common goal is known as teamwork. Okay, so how do we achieve the teamwork? Through proper communication, through proper cooperation, and a sense of collective responsibility. Okay, cricket, for example. Okay, what else? Football. These are all few examples of teamwork. You cannot say that no, I will play my part and I will leave the rest. No, that's a shared responsibility. There's a collective responsibility, and only then you will be able to complete those tasks in the most effective way and efficient way. Okay. See, team. What does team denotes? TEAM. T means together, E means everyone, A means achieves, and M means more. So when we are together, we can achieve more. Okay, so that's the key connotation of the word team. Okay. Now, what is the importance of teamwork? Why we need to understand teamwork? What is the importance? Okay. See, teamwork means it enhanced problem solving. If there is any problem, if there is any issue, then when we are working in a team, then it enhances the problem solving, maybe ways, maybe various aspects. Okay, so there are multiple ways of solving the problems. It enhances the problem solving ways and skills and techniques. Okay, so see, teams bring diverse perspective and skills. But definitely, when there is a team, they may have different skill sets, they may have different perspective. So when that is been combined together, then you will find unique ways. You will find a creative and innovative ways and an effective way to any kind of problems. Okay, so that is why it is known as enhanced problem solving. Next is increased efficiency. See, when you're working alone or in a single way, then the efficiency may not be that as it should be. But when you are working in a team, okay, so what happens is that particular task, it has been completed in a much easier, much faster, and in much efficient way. Okay. Next, improved quality. See, when there is a team of different skill sets, when they come together, then the quality of that task improves. Okay, the quality, the efficiency of that task or the problem improves. Okay. Next, motivation and support. Sometimes you will see that there is a, you feel demotivated, you lose that morale. Okay, you lose that support to keep going. So if you are a part of team, then definitely you gain that morale, you gain that support, you gain that motivation to keep going and reach your goal. Okay, and moreover, it also increases the job satisfaction, that you are a part of team. Okay, there is also emotional support which has been given in a teamwork. Okay. Next is learning and development. Okay, when you are a part of a team, you find continuous ways of learning. Okay, you learn in a much better way. Okay, you learn from the different skill sets of your fellow colleagues, you learn from the different efficient way of working of your fellow colleague team, of your fellow teammates. Okay, so that what it does, it continuously provides you a learning atmosphere, and a development platform. Okay. Next, various aspects of teamwork. So what are the various aspects of teamwork? How we are going to ensure that we will be able to work in a much better way? The first one is communication. Okay, there should be better way, open way of communication. Okay, effective way of communication. If there is no communication, if there is a miscommunication, then that is going to create a big havoc for the teamwork. Okay, so there has to be open communication when we are working in a team. Okay, even if we are facing any kind of glitches, that has to be communicated efficiently among the team members. Okay. Next, collaboration. We need to collaborate. There has to be a collaboration. Okay, we need to understand that yes, this is a skill set which I possess, that is a skill set which you possess. Now we are going to collaborate together, and we have to achieve the success or achieve our goal, whatever is our goal. Okay. Next, trust and respect. Very important thing. We need to trust and respect our team members. It's not like we are going to disrespect, or we are not going to trust our teammates. If that is the thing, then that is going to be a big disaster for the teamwork. Okay, and we may not get that desired result. Okay, so team respect and trust is important. Roles and responsibilities. See, in case of teamwork, the roles and responsibilities has to be clearly defined, that who is doing what. Okay, you have to take certain responsibilities of your particular area or domain of work, and then only you are not going to overlap on your colleague works or your teammates work. Okay. Next, conflict resolution. Sometimes you see when working in a team, there is conflict arises. Okay. And how you are going to resolve those conflicts? That there has to be resolved through various strategically. So strategically, you're going to resolve those conflict if it arises. Okay. Why work team? Why work team? Synergy. Okay. What do you mean by synergy? Synergy means if you are working together in a team, then you can achieve more. Okay. Rather than if you are working in a separate way, because your combined skills and effort will create wonders. Okay. Next is flexibility. See what happens when if you are working in a team, flexibility arises. Okay. Why? Because the teams, they can be more adaptable. If there is any kind of change in the circumstance or a change in the scenario, or if any unforeseen challenge arises, then what happens that as because you are working in a team, that is going to give you more flexibility to work. Okay. But if you are working alone or if you are working in single-handedly, that is, you are not going to get that flexibility. Okay. Next is innovation. Innovation means when you are working in a team, okay, or in a collaboration, then that creates or that brings out various creativity within you. That brings out various innovative way of working in a teamwork. Okay. Next is employee satisfaction. You get a satisfaction, a sense of satisfaction comes to you. Okay. That yes, you have worked in a team, and that is going to give you the better way, better that is going to your combined skills and efforts, or your combined way of working in a team is going to give you a lot of mental satisfaction. Okay. So that is also very important aspect while working in a team. Okay. Okay, work team in organizations, type of work team. So what are the types of work teams we are going to see? The first one is functional team. Okay. What do you mean by functional team? Functional teams means though they are a team, okay, but though the composition of that team are like they are from the same department or from the same place. Okay. Working on any kind of task or operation. Okay. So that is known as operational team. Next is cross-functional. Cross-functionals means, okay, from different departments. Okay. When there is a, you see, committee. Okay. So what, this is like a committee. So in this case, you find members from different departments. They're working for a common objective. Okay. Next is self-managed team. Self-managed teams means you are not under any kind of there is no supervisor. Okay. You're working without any supervision. Okay. So that is known as self-managed teams. Okay. And virtual team. Okay. Virtual teams means you are working for a particular specific project, but you are working remotely. You're not working physically. Okay. So that is known as using the digital tools. Okay. So that is known as virtual teams. Now we will see examples in Indian society. Okay. How the team worked in the Indian scenario. Okay. So for example, project team in IT companies. These days you will see there are a lot of projects. Okay. IT projects. Okay. Particularly in the IT sectors. Okay. So what they do, like companies like Infosys and TCS, Tata Consulting, these are massive companies. Okay. So what they do, they form teams. Okay. And there's a team head or team manager. Okay. So from different departments, they bring out different peoples of different skills. Okay. And professions of different skills. And then they give certain problem based task. Okay. And they ask them to solve it in a bring out various solution to that particular problem. Okay, so that is the project teams in IT companies. Next is it healthcare in teams in hospitals. Sorry. Okay, so you see, if there is a in hospitals, many hospitals, there is a team of doctors, team of nurses, team of specialized. Okay, there are a coordinated team. They work. Okay, if there is a major operation being held in any kind of hospital, so there is a team of doctors, there is a team of nurses, there is a team of specialist personals. Okay, so these are the examples how a team work in the Indian society. Okay, educational institution. Okay, in educational institutions also there are like for any kind of research projects, for example, or while we are preparing our course curriculum. Okay, then we have a dedicated team. Okay, teams from different departments, they come together and we work on that project or on that curriculum development. Okay, next is non-government organization, NGOs. Okay, there are a lot of NGOs working in our society. Okay, and they also work in a team. NGOs normally work in a team. Okay, to address various kinds of issues, contemporary social issues and eradicate issues. Okay, we need a team working in the NGOs. Okay, next, corporate teams in MNCs, multinational companies. Okay, so what are the corporate teams in multinational companies? See, there are a lot of in IT companies, that's it, they are working for a particular IT project. But the corporate teams, okay, there are a lot of corporate issues in the multinational companies. So there has to be a corporate team to manage those problems, to manage those issues. Okay, for example, if they want to place any factory or outlet, or they want to establish a unit in some part of the country or the world. Okay, you see there are a lot of hassles, there are a lot of obstacles. So how to get rid of those? Okay, so that is a team, that is a project. Okay, corporate project you can say. Okay, so in that case they have to have a cross-functional team to eradicate these kinds of issues in the team. Okay, importance of teamwork in Indian context. Okay, importance, we have already discussed it in a few previous slides also. So it is very important. See, it is very important to work in a team, particularly in the Indian context. Why? Because you see, India is a multi cultural society. Okay, it's a diverse society. Okay, we cannot have all the learnings of all the societies culture. Okay, so we need to have a team. Okay, we need all the skills cannot be acquired by a single person. Okay, so we need varied skilled person. We need a varied culture team. Okay, to work on any kind of project or any kind of issues. Okay, for example, in the agricultural sector, okay, cooperative sectors. Okay, you see, the farmers, they have been pulled in to access better market opportunities, okay, product, and to increase their productivity and sustainability. So see, some or the other way we need teamwork in the Indian context. Okay, next, summary. Okay, so if you are going to summarize that what is teamwork, okay, team, okay, why that is important, what kind of collaboration has been required. So we'll see that it is of extremely importance. Okay, teamwork and collaboration. Okay, for any kind of organization. Okay, not only multinational or in government organization, for any kind of organization across various sectors. Okay, so through teamwork we can achieve greater efficiency, we can achieve innovation. Okay, and subsequently job satisfaction we can get. Okay, so as because our society is a what we can say, it's like a diverse society, multicultural society. You see a lot of people, a lot of cultural people, they stay in our society. So to understand that, we definitely need a team, and teamwork cannot be overlooked if we are working in the Indian society particularly. Okay, so I believe we have covered all the section of the teamwork. Okay, however, if you have any doubt, please jot down your doubts, and we'll be more than happy to clear off your doubts. Thank you very much for your time. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.